what we're talking about today is screenwriting. You don't need actors when you start. You don't need money. You don't need anything but an imagination and a computer. Hopefully you have those two things. And if you have, and a little time, which is actually an issue with people who are working for a living. But if you have some time, a computer, and an imagination, you can tilt your head sideways. You can let those ideas pour out of your head into the keyboard, and then you can, 6 months later, share those 120 pages with other people and hopefully have something magical happen. So I want to teach you and inspire you over the next 2 days how to tell stories that are going to live beyond your computer screen. Now, screenwriting is a collaborative medium. I'll do a little, this will be a good time to do this, I think. I want to do, if I go over here on this, is that cool? So let's talk about the different mediums we're working in. If you do nothing else today but determine, you know what, I'm not really a screenwriter, I'm more of a novelist, then this is an incredibly valuable class. And I promise, everything that you learn today, you need to do as a novelist as well. So this isn't exclusive, we're inclusive, okay? We're gonna look at creative writing, dramatic writing, but if you think about the forms we have, what's the difference between what I'm gonna call screenwriting, playwriting, fiction writing, and poetry, okay?
The preceding clip was from Screenwriting for Physicians by Seek Inc. Seek specializes in helping physicians find and locate non-clinical careers, and also in helping physicians learn how to supplement their income with lucrative home-based work. Ways to supplement your income include medical expert witnessing, disability and utilization reviews, independent medical examinations, writing, including screenwriting, inventing, consulting, and life care planning.